2022 EXE aptitude paper. So this is question number 4. It is given a survey of 450 students about their subject of interest resulted in the following outcome. So this is the data. Some students are interested in mathematics, some are in physics, some are in chemistry, some are in both mathematics and physics, some are physics and chemistry, some are in mathematics and chemistry, and some students are interested in all three subjects, and the remaining are interested in humanities. So we have to find the student is interested in humanities. So such type of problem are solved with the help of Venn diagram. So let us understand the procedure to solve a problem with the help of a Venn diagram, and it is quite simple. You have to just understand the process. So since these are three subjects, so we have to draw three circles. So let's say this circle is for mathematics, this green circle is for physics, and this yellow circle is for chemistry. Now this region is a common area for all the three circles, that is physics, chemistry and math. This region is a common area for physics and maths. Now this region is a common area for math and chemistry, and this region is a common area for physics and chemistry. So let us write the data which is given. So for mathematics we have 150 students, for physics we have 200, for chemistry we have 175. Now we have three combinations: physics, chemistry, chemistry, math, and math and physics. And we have one combination of all three subjects, which is 30. So for physics and chemistry, this is 60. For chemistry and math, this is 40. And for math and physics, this is 50. So the first step is to plot the values in this Venn diagram. So first we have to start with the value which is common to all the three circles, which is this. So 30 has to be placed in this common region, because this is the region common to all the three circles. Now we can take any of the three values now. Now let's say I take math and physics. So the common region for math and physics is this, and the value for this is 50, but we already have 30 students in this region. So the value here will be 50 minus 30, that is 20. If we take chemistry and mathematics, so chemistry and mathematics, the common region is this, and the total student for this is 40. The already 30 are placed. It means that is 40 minus 30, that is 10. Now if we take physics and chemistry, so the common region for physics and chemistry is this, and you have 60 students. So already 30 students are there, means this is 60 minus 30, that is 30. Now for mathematics we have 150 students, and this circle represents the mathematics circle. So total student must be 150 in this. So already 30 plus 20 plus 10, 60 students are there. It means the remaining student must be 30 plus 10 plus 20. This comes out to be 90. So I have to put 90 in this. Now coming on to the green circle, which is for physics, the total student for physics are 200, and already 30 plus 30 plus 20 students are already placed, means 30 plus 20 plus 30. So it comes out to be 120. Total number of students in this region are 120. Now coming on to the chemistry circle, so this is chemistry circle. The total student for chemistry is 175, means already these are already there. So these students are already there, means I have to subtract 30 plus 30 plus 10. So it comes out to be 105. Now, so the total values in the Venn diagram must be equal to 450. So let us see. This is 90 plus 20 plus 120 plus 30 plus 30 plus 10 plus 105. So this comes out to be 405. It means there are some students which are not interested in physics, chemistry or math. So it is already given in the question that some students are interested in humanities. So from total 450, I have to subtract this 405 to get the number of students which are interested in humanities, that is 45. So from the given option number D is correct.